Principles of good website design. Before we dive into using ChatGPT, it is important to understand the principles of good website design. A well-designed website should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and should provide a positive user experience. Here are some key principles to keep in mind. Simplicity. A website should be simple and easy to navigate. Too much clutter can overwhelm visitors and make it difficult to find what they are looking for. Consistency. A website should be consistent in design and layout. This helps visitors to easily identify the different sections of the website and find what they are looking for. Mobile responsive. In today's mobile-first world, it is important that your website is mobile responsive. This means that the website should be optimized for viewing on mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets. Readability. The content on your website should be easy to read. This includes using appropriate font sizes, colors, and spacing. Accessibility. Your website should be accessible to everyone, regardless of any disabilities. This includes providing alternative text for images and ensuring that your website is navigable using only a keyboard. Using ChatGPT to design a visually appealing and user-friendly website. ChatGPT can be a great tool for designing a visually appealing and user-friendly website. Here are some tips to get you started. Use ChatGPT to generate content for your website. ChatGPT can help you generate text for your website's homepage, product descriptions, and blog posts. Use ChatGPT to create a color scheme for your website. ChatGPT can help you choose colors that complement each other and create a cohesive look for your website. Use ChatGPT to design a logo for your website. A well-designed logo can help to establish your brand identity and make your website more memorable. Incorporating images, videos, and other media into a website with ChatGPT. Images, videos, and other media can help to make your website more engaging and memorable. Here are some tips for incorporating media into your website with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to create infographics and other visual content. Infographics can be a great way to convey information in a visually appealing way. Use ChatGPT to find high-quality images and videos to use on your website. ChatGPT can help you find royalty-free images and videos that you can use without having to worry about copyright issues. Use ChatGPT to create animations and other interactive media. These can help to make your website more engaging and memorable. In conclusion, designing a website with ChatGPT can be a great way to create a visually appealing and user-friendly website. By following the principles of good website design, using ChatGPT to design a visually appealing and user-friendly website, and incorporating images, videos, and other media into your website with ChatGPT, you can create a website that is both functional and engaging.
Now, let's head over to ChatGPT for some hands-on practice designing with ChatGPT. The first step to designing a website with ChatGPT is to engineer the prompt. And by engineering the prompt, I'm simply referring to your ability to accurately communicate your request to ChatGPT. In the past, we have used a conversational method to communicate with ChatGPT. However, when it comes to creating and designing with ChatGPT, we want to make sure that our prompts are accurately engineered to produce the best result. This can be done in multiple ways. However, for this specific circumstance, we are going to use a method of prompt engineering called role-playing. So, at this point, if we were to ask ChatGPT to design a website, it would tell us that as an AI model, it's not able to do so. In fact, let's give it a shot. Design a website for the Healthy Habits Company.
As an AI language model, I can provide you with some guidance on how to design a website for the Healthy Habits Company. Here are some steps you can follow. Determine the website's purpose. Before designing the website, you should determine the purpose of the website. Is it to promote the company's products and services, educate customers on healthy habits, or both? This will help you determine the website's content and structure. Identify the target audience. Knowing your target audience is crucial in designing an effective website. Are you targeting athletes, busy professionals, or stay-at-home parents? This will help you determine the website's tone, design, and content. Choose a website platform. There are many website platforms available, such as WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and Shopify. Choose a platform that is easy to use and provides the features you need for your website. Create a website structure. The website structure should be easy to navigate and understand. You can use a simple menu bar with drop-down options to organize your website's content. Choose a website design. The website design should be visually appealing and consistent with the company's brand. You can use colors, images, and fonts to create a design that is unique and memorable. Create website content. The website content should be informative and engaging. You can use text, images, and videos to educate customers on healthy habits and promote the company's products and services. Optimize the website for search engines. Search engine optimization, SEO, is essential for driving traffic to your website. You can use keywords, meta tags, and backlinks to improve your website's search engine ranking. Test and launch the website. Before launching the website, you should test it on different devices and browsers to ensure that it is functioning correctly. Once you are satisfied with the website, you can launch it and promote it on social media and other platforms. Remember, designing a website is an iterative process. You may need to make changes to the website based on feedback from customers and website analytics.
Awesome. And once again, ChatGPT is an amazing assistant. So everything that ChatGPT is able to provide us with when it comes to designing our website is all usable. So we're going to go ahead and copy ChatGPT's suggestions. However, at this point, we still do not have a website built. ChatGPT's response was, as an AI model, it can provide us with guidance on how to design a website. So it's guided us in the right direction, and now we want to guide ChatGPT into designing the full website. So the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to look at ChatGPT's first step for designing a website. It says that we need to determine the website's purpose. It also gives us some questions to answer. So at this point, we're going to feed ChatGPT this information, and we're going to ask that ChatGPT give us the following step. So actually, at this point, we can define the purpose, and if we use the information from our digital marketing campaign, not only can we design the purpose, but we can also identify and provide ChatGPT with the target audience. So now we're already at step 2. Step 3 was to choose a website platform. And at this point, while we're still in the stage of designing, this part would be easy. So we already know that once our website is done, we're going to upload and deploy it to a specific platform. And as a matter of fact, we're going to use Replit. So when it comes to deployment, that is already done for us. So we're still now at step 4. So step 4 asks that we create a website structure. This website structure should be easy to navigate and understand. So this is where we're going to ask that ChatGPT help us with this step. So the next step that ChatGPT will provide assistance in is helping create the website structure. So keep in mind that ChatGPT has already given us enough information from our digital marketing campaign to fulfill the first two steps. We've done the third step on our own. So at this point, I'm going to paste in information that answers the first two questions that ChatGPT had for us, which is what is the website's purpose and what is the target audience. So I'm going to take that information that I got directly from the digital campaign and I'm going to paste it into our input. However, before that information, I'm going to ask that ChatGPT use that information to design a site map. Now, the site map is what will help us to determine the layout, which is step 4, the structure of our website. So let's go ahead and send the request.
Based on the provided information, here is a suggested site map for the Healthy Habits website. Home welcome message featured products and services, testimonials from satisfied customers, call to action for newsletter sign up, about us, company history and mission, team members and their expert, vitamins, protein powders, etc. Product descriptions and benefits. Customer reviews, shopping cart and checkout, fitness equipment, product categories, e.g. cardio, strength, etc. Product descriptions and benefits, customer reviews, shopping cart and checkout, meal plans, plan options, e.g. vegetarian, low carb, etc. Coaching options, e.g. one-on-one, group, etc. Coach bios and areas of expertise, customer reviews, booking form, resources, articles on health and wellness topics, recipes for healthy meals and snacks, exercise routines and tips, success stories from customers, contact us, contact form, phone and email information, social media links. This site map should provide a clear and organized structure for the Healthy Habits website, making it easy for users to find the information they need and navigate the site effectively.
Awesome. So ChatGPT has now provided us with basically everything, that an outline for everything that will be on our website. Now that we have some information for ChatGPT to use, we can now go on to step 4 and ask that ChatGPT create us a list of options for our site layout. So I'm going to ask that ChatGPT use this sitemap to produce a list of 5 layout options for the Healthy Habits website. Use the sitemap to provide a list of 5 layout options for the Healthy Habits site.
Here are 5 layout options that could work for the Healthy Habits website. Full screen homepage slider. This layout features a large, full-screen image slider on the homepage, showcasing the company's products and services. The menu bar and call to action button are overlaid on the slider. Below the slider, the content is organized into sections, such as About Us, Products and Services, and Resources. Side navigation menu. This layout features a vertical navigation menu on the left side of the screen, with sub-menus that expand when clicked. The main content area is on the right side of the screen, with the company's products and services featured prominently. Grid-based layout. This layout features a grid-based structure, with each product or service represented by a thumbnail image and short description. Clicking on a thumbnail brings up more detailed information about the product or service. The menu bar is at the top of the screen, with the company logo prominently displayed. Magazine-style layout. This layout features a magazine-style design, with large images and text that showcase the company's products and services. The homepage includes sections such as featured products, latest news, and success stories, with links to more detailed content. One-page layout. This layout features a single, long scrolling page with all of the content organized in sections. The menu bar at the top of the screen is fixed and stays visible as the user scrolls down the page. This layout is ideal for websites with minimal content or for promoting a specific product or service.
Awesome. So ChatGPT has provided us with a list of options for our website layout. Now, the very first one is the one that caught my attention first. So I'm going to probably go with option number 1, which was the full screen web page slider. However, I will ask ChatGPT for its opinion on which one would probably work best for the home page. So the first thing I'm going to do is ask ChatGPT, offer a suggestion for the home page layout. Which layout do you think would work best for the home page?
Based on the information provided about Healthy Habits and its target audience, I would suggest a minimalist layout for the homepage. This layout features a simple and clean design, which is ideal for health and wellness websites as it reflects a sense of calmness and serenity that aligns with the company's mission. A minimalist layout with a white background and minimal use of color would help draw the user's attention to the products and services offered by Healthy Habits. It would also help create a sense of sophistication and professionalism, which is important for a company that offers coaching services and nutritional supplements. The homepage could include a brief introduction to the company and its mission, along with a
it looks like it cut off for a second. However, we still have the information, so we will continue to build our website, actually design our website with ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has basically said that the minimalist layout would probably work best for our website design. So I still would like to see what the minimalist layout would look like and compare it to the first option, which was the full screen homepage slider. So we will actually ask that ChatGPT provide us with code for both so that we can get a preview of what this might look like. So the first thing that we want to do, however, is we want to narrow down this sitemap, because the very first thing that I see about the sitemap is that if we start off with a long or larger sitemap, it will take more code for ChatGPT to create. Now, keep in mind that at times ChatGPT will stop or pause when it comes to adding the code. That's because basically it will get tired of generating the response on its output. And with that being said, we want to keep that in mind at the beginning stages of designing, because if we have too much information, we'll end up piecing together what ChatGPT provides us with. And unfortunately, when it comes to providing the code for projects, sometimes ChatGPT will start off down one path with providing the code. And if it has to regenerate a response, or if it has to pick up where it left off with providing the code, what I've noticed is that sometimes it will stray from its original path. And that can cause some problems when it comes to coding with ChatGPT. So the best way for us to start off our design is to keep our sitemap as simple as possible. This will give us the basic structure of our website. And then if we want to make it more complex as we move forward, we can easily ask ChatGPT to add in code or provide code snippets that we can simply paste into our website. So the first thing we want to do is we actually want to start by decreasing the amount of content that is in our sitemap. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this sitemap, and I'm going to paste it into a Word document. And the first thing I'm going to remove is the fitness equipment. So I know that I don't necessarily need to have fitness equipment on the website at all. So I'm fine with getting rid of that section. I do probably want to use some nutritional supplements and offer this on the website. I also think that it would be an amazing way to show off some of the things that we can do with ChatGPT. So I'm going to probably keep the nutritional supplements and the meal plans. When it comes to the coaching services, I think it would be good to have at least 3 products and services. So I'll probably keep all 3 of those, but I'm definitely going to remove the fitness equipment section. If we come down here, yes, I want to keep the contact us page. And when it comes to the resources, I think that ChatGPT does an amazing job at producing articles, recipes, exercise routines, and tips. I think that it does an amazing job at creating these assets that we can then use on our website. So I definitely want to keep this section. With that being said, I think that I will also probably narrow down the meal plan section. I may get rid of both of these sections, and I think we'll be doing good if we keep the resources, the contact us, and we'll only start off with probably now 2 products and services. Everything else looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this information, but I'm going to remove these 2 products and these 2 items from our products and services list. And then we'll come back into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to provide us with code snippets for both the full page slider option as well as the minimalist option, the full screen homepage slider and the minimalist option. All right, so I've copied this information and I have removed both the fitness equipment list as well as the meal plans list. So now I'm going to provide ChatGPT with our new sitemap, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to provide the code. We'll start off with the full screen web page slider. So I'll say use the following sitemap to create a layout, to create a code snippet for a layout. And we'll be specific about the layout. We'll tell it that we need to have the full screen home page slider. So to create a code snippet for a full screen home page slider layout. And then we will provide the information, and we'll also tell it to use real world information. This will keep ChatGPT from providing us with the layout, but putting placeholders where it already has enough information to fill in. So we'll also say use real world information. All right.
Here's an example code snippet for a full screen homepage slider layout based on the provided sitemap.
All right. So again, I've gone ahead and turned off the text to speech option because she's just repeating what is inside of the code snippet. And another thing that we're going to want to do is remember to tell ChatGPT to keep our files separate, because as you can see, if we don't request that files are kept separately, ChatGPT will offer the script inside of the HTML. And by doing that, we run into issues with, at times, ChatGPT cutting off the code. So here, we're going to attempt to ask ChatGPT to finish the HTML and to start with the section that has the product ID. So we'll say complete. All right, and we'll go ahead and give this a shot. It's been my in previous times it's worked and sometimes it doesn't. Awesome, it's working today. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this code, and I'm going to paste it into CodePen, and I'll paste it into the HTML section. And then we will go over and we will look at it as soon as I get all of the code for ChatGPT's output. And at this point, it looks like it has completed the section for the products, but based on our sitemap, after the products, we actually also need the resource section and the contact us section. So this is another reason why it's good that we have ChatGPT basically provide us with the sitemap first, because this will ensure that we're able to get the most accurate response also from ChatGPT. So now we're going to ask that ChatGPT complete the HTML and to start with the resource section. Complete the HTML and start with the resource section. While ChatGPT works on the resource section, I will copy this code and I'm going to paste it into the products section. And another thing that you'll want to do is make sure that you tell ChatGPT again to use real world information. So at this point, ChatGPT has produced some lorem ipsum, and we want ChatGPT to actually provide us with real world examples for each section. Let's come here and we will just edit our request because we can, and we will ask that ChatGPT rewrite the product section using real world information. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to actually delete this completely, and I'm just going to say rewrite. We'll say real world examples. So here, ChatGPT is redoing this section, but where it has the lorem ipsum, it should be placing in actual products. Here also, where it uses, where it says product title, it should be placing in actual products. That's what we're looking for. And this is what it's done. So instead of having a product title, which would be like a placeholder, now it is actually adding in multivitamins, it's giving a description of multivitamins, and it's providing us with the price. So this is giving us the best output from ChatGPT when it comes to the product section. So keep that in mind, and